You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, cloud computing, enhancing efficiency and collaboration in small business. Imagine a small business owner competing with larger companies for the same target audience. Unlike these companies, which offer the same products and services, yours doesn't have a large enough team to support 24/7 assistance, meaning that when you close up for the day, there's no one there to help your potential customers. Rather than maintain this reality, consider cloud computing for more efficiency. Cloud computing allows your business to keep running and customer satisfaction to grow long after you've turned over the close sign on your storefront, and gives a small company with limited funds the freedom to scale their technology up and down as needed. For instance, if you use physical hardware, you'll have to upgrade it as your business grows. Still, if your company goes through a bad period, you'll have paid for more hardware than you need. These are the three main cloud deployment models. SaaS, or software as a service, allows you to access all of your most critical data and applications through the web, usually using a web browser. It hosts software applications like QuickBooks or Microsoft Outlook and OneDrive in the cloud, making it available to your business from everywhere. IaaS, or infrastructure as a service, replaces the need for local, costly, and inflexible hardware by allowing you to reserve servers, storage, and memory in a cloud data center like Microsoft Azure. PaaS, or platform as a service, provides tools and frameworks for application developers to create, test, and deploy their applications without purchasing expensive physical hardware, software, or complex local connectivity requirements. At CyberStreams, we're big fans of the SaaS model. Every day we help our clients move to and utilize SaaS applications to lower costs, increase reliability, and improve business process. If you've heard the term digital transformation, this is what we're all talking about. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, ease of collaboration. Increased and better collaboration since you share and edit files in real time with all customers, partners, and team members. 2, up your game. Play your business game like the big guys with sophisticated tools traditionally used only by large businesses, which help you make data-driven decisions and receive a competitive edge, or at least to stay in the game. And 3, data security. Did you know that hackers can use a search engine just like Google to find all of your servers and services that are exposed to the internet in an instant? You're not a small target, you're a soft target. Microsoft spends tens of billions of dollars every year to secure their cloud, and while they aren't perfect, they do a lot better of a job protecting your data in partnership with firms like CyberStreams than any of us could do building a solution locally within your business. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.